everyone, it's Denise with Shining Water Homeschool, back with our second Pin It Maps video. My son and I have been putting together these flag pins, and we wanted to show you how we do this because it's really going a lot faster than we thought. With 1,752 of these little guys to put together, that can seem kind of overwhelming. But we've done, let me see how many sets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, almost 15 sets. And it's only been a few hours over a couple of days, so it feels like it's going really fast. So without further ado, I'm going to show you how our method works. I'm going to put the camera down. Okay, and here we go. Put on the glasses so I can see the up close work. And here's the label. It's red, so I hope it's showing up really well. We like all of our flags to go the same way. We like them all to face this way. So what I do is I find the label and I turn it upside down to me. I get about an inch of this clear tape and I carefully align it on the front of my flag. And if you don't get it right the first time, you can re-adhere it because this nice smooth coating makes the tape release pretty well. So it looks like that, and then I turn it over. I grab my pin. I line up the head on the left-hand side, and this is the reverse of my flag. And I get it right up next to the cardstock and then fold the tape over so that the pin is on the edge of the cardstock, like so. And then you have a flag. And what we have found to be most efficient is to do a whole set with the tape and the pins, and then they're ready to go. We took a page out of the chef's book, and we've set up our mise-en-place with all of our pieces. So then once you have all your pins taped, you can then quickly have one person sliding tubes on, like so. And if you're careful, you don't compromise the integrity of your skin on the sharp pointy pin. And then while one person is sliding the tubes on, the other person has all the footers ready to go and just picks up the pin with the tube on it and carefully sticks it right down in the middle of the silicone footer. And then you, I mean, it really seems like it goes very quickly. And before you know it, you have a whole set done. And then what happens here is my son gets so excited that he has to do a map with all the completed pins. Okay, that's it. Have a great day. Thanks, bye.